Hey guys, my name is Ales. I'm the founder of Cusco-Activities. I specialize in motorcycle rental and motorcycle experience in Cusco and around Cusco, of course in Peru as well. Uh, what you see behind me is the selection of the motorcycle self-guided motorcycle tours. They free of charge. Basically, when you come to the office, this is what I'm gonna present you with. I'm trying to solve the problem. The reason why I'm doing this video is, and the video is also on the TV, is to solve the problem of tourists. So you come to Cusco, you want to rent a motorcycle, but you don't know where to go. Okay, so the selection of the tours will definitely is gonna help you. You can visualize actually what you're gonna see, and based on how many days you have left in Cusco, on your budget as well. I can always recommend you the tours. All the tours are basically recommended from my own experience. They're my tours, they're my videos. We've done with my girlfriend like 25,000 kilometers 2021. So it's really just from our own personal experience, our recommendations given to you. Okay, so now I want to present you with another one-day self-guided motorcycle tour. It's to Rainbow Mountain. It takes about 3 to 4 hours. It depends on the motorcycle. You can take even scooter if you want to. It's a bit hard. I recommend if you take scooter, just one scooter per person, not two, because you're gonna go through mountains. Basically, you're gonna be climbing up the hills, and there's also it's a gravel road, so it definitely would be a bit harder, but I would recommend you to take at least the motorcycle, the Sim NHC 200cc. It's a perfect, very comfortable motorcycle for two people. Now, let's just talk a little bit about the tour that you can see to the Rainbow Mountain. So there's basically two ways to get to the Rainbow Mountain. One way is, and that's the very common way, if you take the bus, it's very busy because all the bus tours are gonna go there. It's also shorter a little bit, but it's not so enjoyable. This is a bit longer. It takes probably 3 to 4 hours, but as you see, guys, it's just very beautiful. You're gonna be riding along the river, okay, through the canyon, and you can also, if you have enough time, you can swim in the river. It's a bit cold, but you can do that. Also, the temperature here can be, let's say, 20, 25, 30 degrees max, but then you're gonna go up to the mountain and it's gonna be 10 degrees. So just be aware of this, okay? Take some warm clothes with you as well. And this is basically what you're gonna see getting up to the mountain. Yeah. So, as you see, guys, it's very, very beautiful. It's one of my very popular trips. Tourists go there and they love it on the motorcycle. It's just a very different experience. This is the end point. You're gonna see the Rainbow Mountain. So please, if you guys have any questions about this tour, my contact details are on the website. You can contact me through email or or through the WhatsApp, and I will always try to help you, try to answer any questions that you have. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and let's stay in touch. Ciao.